The design-to-production parts process has never been easier with the Origin One from Stratasys. Great parts start with build preparation. Orienting, supporting, and nesting multiple parts is a breeze with an integrated preprint software solution from Autodesk. Print multiple parts in a build without impacting print time. Select a validated material and send your job directly to your printer via a secure cloud connection. Print swapping or starting a different print in a new material is fast and easy. Add just the volume of material you need. No mixing required, and leftover resin can be added back into the container with a long shelf life remaining. Origin One is powered by programmable photopolymerization, or P3, a print process that enables fast and reliable printing of high-performance materials with exceptional surface finish and accuracy. After the print starts, real-time analytics are displayed on the printer's touchscreen using advanced sensors. Once the print is complete, remove your parts from the printer and then the build platform before cleaning. Wash the parts in a non-proprietary solvent with a sonicator. Air dry the parts before finally UV curing them for several minutes, depending on the material, to complete the workflow. Parts are now safe to touch and ready to use for your application. Origin One, next level part production starts here.